Hi, this is Tammy Frazier bringing you an IVS Computer Technology video tutorial. I'd like to show you today how you can set up your Mac computer to accept the Smart Response clickers that you currently have in your classroom. What this will do is allow your computer to offer you full functionality depending on which clicker you currently own. This may be something you check when you switch computers or have a fresh install of the Smart Response software, or if you change the clickers that you have available in your classroom. So let's take a look at how you can change that Smart Response clicker type in your Mac operating system. So the first thing we need to do is stop any active classes, and if we have notebook software open, we can do that using the response option from the menu bar and selecting stop class from within the menu. If you do not have Smart Response software open, you can go ahead and open your teacher tool file and select the active class and then select stop class, and we'll take a look at that in just a moment. Next, we need to quit notebook software, and we can do that from within the dock with the control click and then selecting quit. Once our software has been closed, we're going to open a new Finder window from within the dock, and then along the left-hand side, we're going to select Applications. It's going to offer us all of our applications in ABC order. We're looking for the S's because we're looking for the folder marked Smart Response. We're going to open that Smart Response folder, and we're looking for the Smart Response Setup tool. The icon looks like a gear with a wrench next to it. And then once we click on that Smart Response Setup tool, we're going to be offered the different varieties of clickers that Smart currently offers. And we're going to select the clickers we currently own and then OK. And then your system will be set up to give you full functionality depending on the clicker type you have in your room. So let's take a look at that. So first we need to start by stopping any active classes. And I do have Smart Notebook software open, so I can come up to Response in the menu bar, and I can select the 7th option from the top, which is Stop Class. If you don't have Smart Notebook software open, you can also go to your teacher tool file by double-clicking the icon on your desktop or wherever you keep it. And I know that this IVS training is the active class because it has a green bubble to the left. So I'm going to select from within the main panel, Stop Class. And that's going to stop the class and disconnect any clickers that have been signed in. And then once my class has been stopped, I'm also going to close my teacher tools file. I can do that by selecting the X in the upper left-hand corner. And then once that Smart Response teacher tool file has been closed, I also need to quit the Smart Notebook software. And so I'm going to close out this current file. I'm not going to save in this case. And then I'm going to find this Smart Notebook icon in the dock, and I'm going to control click by holding control and clicking it, and I'm going to select quit. And I'll know that that application has been quit because the blue dot to the side of it has disappeared. So now I'm on to step 3, where I'm going to open a Finder window, and I can do that by selecting the Finder, which is always going to be the top or the left-hand icon in your dock. And then once that's been opened along the left-hand panel, I'm going to select Applications. And then notice these are in ABC order, so I'm just going to scroll down until I find Smart Response. And there it is. I can open it by selecting the triangle to the left. So I'm going to click on that triangle. And you'll see that I have several Smart Response options. And the one that I'm looking for is the Smart Response Setup tool. Again, the icon has a gear and a wrench next to it. So once I double click, I'm going to get a menu of all the different options we have for Smart Response. So say that I just got some new Smart Response XE clickers, I'm going to select XE, and then I'm going to select OK, and I'll get a notification telling me that the XE is now my option for when I create and for my students to log in. So have fun. I hope you enjoy your Smart Response clickers.